Okay, this is my Myford M-type lathe, 1949. It's a small little lathe, but it's not bad considering it's 70 years old. And this is the Leadscrew Buddy. It's a Arduino Nano powered lead screw power feed for this lathe. There is a, oh, can you see it down there? A NEMA 34 stepper down there, a belt feed onto the hand wheel of the lathe, and I'm going to demo a few of its functions. The Leadscrew Buddy takes data from these Chinese DRO style sensors. There isn't a display on there because the Leadscrew Buddy replaces that. I turn the hand wheel, as the carriage moves, the position information changes, and you can use it like a normal DRO, so you can zero it. But when the power feed begins, it'll keep going at a speed determined by this knob here. The bigger the number, the slower it's going to be. So we'll wind it down a bit and turn the lathe on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zero the position, and I'm going to set that as the home position. So when I press the home key, it will return to the position it started from. I probably just need to move that forwards a little bit so it's ready to go. There we go. You don't have to zero it, but I'm going to zero that, set it as the home position, power the lathe up, and then pressing the go key should start it moving. You can see the display is going up there, and it should start to take a cut. There we go. Now I can reduce the speed of the feed speed quite significantly. You can see the hand wheel's turning quite slowly there, but and the cut is just nice there, getting a nice surface finish on that. But if I stop the feed and then press the home button, the carriage will automatically move back to pretty close to where we started. It always moves a little bit further back than the home position that was set, but that's okay. And then just move the cross slide in a bit, and we can go again. There's always a bit of because there's a bit of a slop on this lathe, it takes a while for it to start moving. So the numbers have started changing now, so the carriage is moving, and we're taking another cut. Okay, so I'm going to stop that now, return to the home position. What I'm going to do now is show the seek mode it's got without doing that. That's not very clever. So we can wind the carriage back a little bit, and we'll put a bit of a groove in the workpiece just there. Then what I'm going to do is exit that mode and go to seek mode, where seek mode will actually move the carriage to the position you set. So we're going to go with that. Again, I'm going to zero the position, the home position. That's not essential because it will take it as to whatever the position is, the home position is when you press the set button. So that's set the home, and then we move to the destination, which is where we're going to want the seek to occur to. So, it's taking a slight cut there. I'll set it to there. That is 8.23mm from the home position. So set the destination, the set button, and now it's ready to home. So by pressing the home button, it moves back to pretty much where we started from. You can increase the depth of cut a little bit, and then it's ready to home. So by pressing the ready to seek now, So pressing the seek, it's actually it's driving the carriage forward until it reaches 8.23 millimeters from the starting point. It's moving pretty slowly, but it's taking a nice fine cut. And when it gets to the seek position, it'll stop. You can wind the carriage back, increase the depth of cut, and move the carriage forward, the cross slide forward, and go again. The great thing about it is that if you want to do a cut along the axis of the lathe to the same position every time, this takes all the guesswork out of it for you, because it's pretty hard to get the resolution of a 100th of a millimeter resolution with the hand wheel, because it jumps all over the place and your hand's not that good at moving such small amounts on the hand wheel. But this takes all the effort out of it. So this is approaching the seek position now, and when it starts getting near, it will slow the carriage down, and you can see that the hundreds are just going up a little bit at a time. So it doesn't actually step the motor until it's received data from the DRO sensor, because that only updates 10 times a second. So we're ready to home again now. So when we press home, it returns to the starting position at full speed. Increase the depth of cut a little bit. Go again. And again. Start cutting. So that's Leadscrew Buddy. Thanks for watching.